So we're here at Sailing, and you're selling these HDMI stick.
Yeah.
Telechips and A10.
Yes, telechip and A10, and also M-Logic solution.
That one is A. Can you open this one?
This one is A10.
Yeah. HDMI 2.
Yes.
So you make all these HDMI sticks. Telechips. And M-Logic.
Yes.
And M-Logic.
Yes.
And what is in here?
This is Android TV box.
A10s and this.
For this one, it's also telechip.
Yeah. Telechips and A10.
Telechip and A10 M-Logic.
M-Logic.
Yes.
So how much is a box like this?
For this one?
Yeah.
40.
40.
Yes.
And this?
30.
30?
Yes, 30.
30 for the telechips. And what's over there? A10, like this.
Yes.
How much it cost?
18.
Yeah.
18. 52.
5.2.
Yes.
5.2, and this one 5.2 too? A10 like this?
This price only later.
Later will come.
New design, but this one I have 30.
Okay. 30. And what's over here? Is it the same?
Yes. The same.
The same?
The same.
And then you have cameras?
Yeah, cameras. Car DVR.
How much is a camera like this?
For car DVR, several type. I will email price later. Okay.
It's a good price.
Good price.
Yeah.
The price is equal with your request.
Okay. And then you have tablets. So 6575. So it's 3G inside.
Yes.
This is 3G built-in.
Yeah.
Dual SIM.
3G and SIM card.
So how much is one like this?
112.
112, and you get a 3G. Oh, this one is not calibrated. It's gone over here. So this A10? Or what is this? CPU.
For this one,
Cortex A8. And here is...
the same with that one.
yeah, the same as over here. 112. Long battery life?
5 hours.
Can you do MT6577 dual core? New MediaTek, only single core. All right. So what is your specialty? Is it box or tablet? Which one you sell more?
Here.
Box?
Yes.
How many do you sell every month? Every year?
Every year? About 20K per month.